Happy morning, children. I'm very happy to see you all, and I hope that you all are utilizing this quarantine time in a very effective way in developing your skills and also the abilities from all sectors. Can you guess why I'm here today? Yes, I am here to add a few things in your cart. Can you guess what it is? It is the life skill, which is considered as a basic essential factor in our life. This skill enables us to face any kind of challenges that you come across. Now let us see the importance of life skills. One of the key areas to that need emphasis is on the importance of life skills based education. Training on life skills has become extremely essential with the growing competitive environment and peer pressure. Therefore, the use of life skills has been given due weight with respect to addressing these issues. Life skills are not only wanted by the young but all. We all get to use them at several regular intervals and critical junctures in our daily life. The importance of life skills vary from person to person. Life skills include mental, physical, social, psychological, spiritual, and environmental. In other words, the more you know about life, work, play, social, and so forth, the better you will adjust, the more you will learn. Life skills are found through living, school, work, family, environment, and the world around us. Reading, working, volunteering are the wonderful ways to seek and find life skills. Life skills help you to know how to fit in well with the populace. And here is where the family comes in. You will learn from them what is right and what is not acceptable. For example, things as simple as how to care for your clothes, how to shop correctly, personal hygiene, how to talk to people without being offensive. The key life skill is good decision making. This skill is not innate but learned through repetition and practice. Importance of life skills in education. Life skills help adolescents to transit successfully from childhood to adulthood by healthy development of social and emotional skills. It helps in the development of social competence and problem solving skills, which in turn help adolescents to form their own identity. Here I am going to present a story of real life experiences which makes life very interesting and beautiful. Krish, a young man with a large heart, employed at a small eatery, honed his cooking skills and the owner. At the end of each day, he shared leftover food with poor young boys in the neighborhood. One day, the owner fell sick and was unable to run the business. His business declined and slowly the employees left the eatery one after the other. Krish, who felt indebted to the employer, refused to leave the eatery. The owner ran into deep debts and decided to shut the place. Krish gathered all his courage and told the owner that he will run the place on behalf of the owner till the owner comes back to work. Much to the owner's disbelief and astonishment, Krish was determined. The owner felt Krish was not equipped enough to run the place and he dissuaded him. But Krish was adamant and decided that he will not desert the place that gave him his life. With no people to help and with no money to keep the eatery going, all that Krish had was a firm belief on himself. His intent was pure and powerful. He went to his suppliers explaining the situation, and they obliged with a very special price and long credit. People were the next big challenge for Krish. He recalled the young boys in the neighborhood, and he went and approached them, promising them food every day for part-time work till the eatery was back in business. And his good deeds came back to him, and the young boys willingly obliged. The eatery was reopened with lots of positivity. The power of the new team, the efforts of Krish paid off, and the eatery was back in its feet. Slowly but steadily, the crowds came back, and so did the employees who left. Krish, like a solid anchor, believed in himself and turned around the great situation into a success. What did you learn from this story? Here we have noticed that Krish had possessed many life skills like target-oriented thoughts, creative visualization, positive attitude, and determination. Now you just think, where do you stand? Do you possess all these life skills? If not, it is not too late. It all lies in your hand to possess, to develop all these qualities to achieve success in your life.